Long time no see, and I'm here in Bucharest with big news. And yes, my channel still works, it still will have a lot of content, but priorities. I just got a home newborn baby, I need to help, I need to take care, and also it's a little bit like sleeping, no sleeping time, and it's a little bit harder to create stuff which you would like to produce, which I would like to produce in a good quality and bring it to you so you can enjoy and have something more than just a talking head. So this is a live update a little bit, but during this time, during the whole January, I was thinking what kind of value I can bring more. And then it was like very obvious. I'm living in Bucharest and I decided to do a program, a thing, a workshop where I can share it with you. Let's talk. Welcome to Bucharest. I'm living in Bucharest for 3 years. I'm walking around the city and knowing all the little corners, places, hidden gems, the most contrasty streets and places which are hard to discover when you're just coming here to visit and photograph. And I was thinking, okay, this is an advantage for me, but also an advantage for you. And actually, I will deliver you this as a service. I will bring you to the places, I will show you the places, because this is a paradise for street photography, this is a paradise for fashion photography, for portrait photography, for anything you imagine with the backdrops you would never have anywhere, for the prices which are actually quite cool, and for the originality which is priceless. So where's the catch? No catch at all. This is the thing. It's a normal paid service, like if you would go to the restaurant. The difference is that we are talking about photography, FOTOTRIP, and the thing what I can organize for you. First of all, to take you to the places where you can do street photography without losing any time, to know what to do, where to go, secret streets where as a tourist you would never go. Second of all, I can manage for you to shoot with models. Professionals, non-professionals, doesn't matter. I can make this happen in the streets, in the studio, in the professional environment or semi-professional environments with different kind of lights, setups, and so on. Nothing is impossible, and I can make more things. I can take you to places where you can photo shoot animals, where you can just enjoy, where you can do landscape photography, or just take you to the roof. Somewhere where no one normally goes and can take photography. And yes, this is an original way how to introduce you Bucharest and create you memories which you will never forget, but which you will be also able to share with anybody else. This is the knowledge I have, and this is the knowledge I sell. And what is the price? Well, check my website, but mind this. If you are the first group, which maximum can have 4 people and minimum 1, will be the first one, you will have 30% sales from this price. And also, what is very important, and this is the most important thing, the goal is to take you to places like this and that, the places where tourists normally don't go, the places where guides are normally not showing you, off the center, into the places where normal Romanians are spending their time walking, or they are just abandoned, or to the places where they are going en masse, like football, or just to see the whole city from the top, which is also very, very restricted, not for you, if you'll ask me, of course. Every group will have their original passage, will have their original story. The thing is that I want to adapt the workshop to your needs. If you're not a portrait photographer, I will not force you to shoot with models. If you are a portrait photographer, maybe you're not interested in shooting in parks, landscapes, I don't know. So everything is doable. That's why the price is made by day for me as a fee per day. and then additional stuff if necessary, if needed, if so, and so forth. I think it's kind of a fair, and let me know in the comments below if this is something which really interests you or you would like to know more. Questions here, I can answer them, simple as that, and cannot wait to share with you my more of my videos. Crazy. Today it's not my day for talking at all, yet I finally managed. Thanks God. So see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.